not the best. It's not the best. If it tastes right, if it is past the expiration, but I'm gonna just try it out first here. I don't really drink almond milk. It was here from my kids being over, but let me see. It just tastes like almond milk. So here is my magic bullet, and this is one thing that I'm making with it today. I made this the other day, but I did not freeze the coconut milk. But this is coconut milk that I decided to put inside of ice cubes just to prepare it, have it already prepared for this thing here. And so I have 2 of those in there. And what this is, I had pineapple juice, real pineapple juice, and I just froze it, and it was just like a sheet of frozen pineapple juice. So I'm having that in the cup. And then this bag of strawberries that I had for a while now, quite a while actually. And so I had them so long they're looking kind of freezer burned up in here. But I don't know whether to rinse them off or just leave them like this. So I'm gonna see how many I have left up in here, and maybe I'll rinse them off. Let's see. Yeah, a lot of ice was in here, so I want to finally get rid of that. And this is what's left in here. I'm gonna rinse these off and put them in there, but I'm a little confused because something is supposed to be a liquid in there to get this started. So I'm not sure what I'm going to use for liquid. And I think I'm just going to put 3 strawberries in there and then cut this one up and put it in some water. So what do we use for liquid? I think I have coconut milk in the fridge. I have vanilla almond milk, or I have some passion fruit 100%. This I have in here, and this expiration doesn't expire till 2 September 19. So I have time on this. Never had that before, so I don't know what that even tastes like. And then I have some vanilla almond milk. It's lactose free and soy free. I'm gonna test this out and see if it isn't any good, because it has an expiration of February on it. Although I'm one of these people that will eat food if it tastes right, if it is past the expiration. But I'm gonna just try it out first here. I don't really drink almond milk. It was here from my kids being over, but let me see. It just tastes like almond milk. So I'm gonna go ahead and use that. And I'm not really even a fan of almond milk, but like I said, I realized this recipe, you need some sort of liquid. So I'm gonna go ahead and put that in. I'm not gonna blend it on camera because I really don't want you all to have to hear this. I mean, I might do it at the end, but while I'm pulsing it right now, I'm not going to. I'm going to stop the filming for now. I think I want to add a little bit of water in here too. I'm going to get some purified water. And I know it's not going to be sweet enough either. So I might want to add a pinch of equal in there. I usually use these just for my tea. So it gets my tea really sweet on one packet. So I know I don't need that much. I'm just going to sprinkle so much in there. All right, then I'm going to put this back on. Shake it up a little. And I was scared to do it on camera in case if I messed up. But as it turned out, I know you have to pulse this one. You know, because I looked up the reviews on this. I did get this Christmas time, Black Friday, but I do know that people that bought it, when they were comparing it, they were saying that it's not the best. I think that it needs more liquid. So I'm gonna add some more water, because water, I know I can't go wrong, but with that vanilla almond milk, I don't really like it. So yeah, they were saying you have to shake it up really good. So it gets stuck at the top, like, you know, the so I guess if I had crushed ice, it would be different. So like supposed to pulse it for so long. And I guess when everything breaks down, you can do that. And you know what? I'm going to take it a step further, and I'm going to put a little bit of kale in there. Kale. And I don't know how well that works, because I see this being done, but it's probably going to look really, really nasty, whereas right now it looks good. It looks pretty. And it tastes just like it tasted before, just more like strawberries than anything else, with the hint of the coconut. So I basically am going to use this for, like, if I kind of get hungry later on, because it's almost well past dinner. It's well past dinner time. So I can either put it in the fridge for tomorrow for breakfast, but I just felt like making it. You know what I mean? You know how you just feel in the mood to do something? And so since I felt like making it, I thought I'd also film it. See what I mean? And I guess I'm gonna, you know, it being June. All right, so I think that that's good enough. And I'll let you see what it looks like. And then I'm gonna taste it. So it's not that smooth, but let me give it a try. I don't have a straw on hand. It tastes like something really fresh. So I think I'm gonna squeeze a little bit of lemon juice in there. So I'm going to end right here, and I'm basically going to pulse for a little while longer to try to get the kale a little more finely chopped. And then I'm going to either try it or put it in the fridge for later on. Thank you for watching. Hope you enjoyed, and see you on my next video.